Today's headlines from March 18 from Rahimi Law Firm PC, powered by freshnews.ai. Couples who treat marriage-based green cards like high-stakes projects use disciplined documentation and interview prep to reduce stress and avoid delays. Today's Signal project-level case control treats a marriage-based green card as a structured workflow with checkpoints, owners, and data tasks, not a loose pile of forms and photos. This stabilizes the USCIS process and improves documentation and interview readiness by identifying gaps in evidence, timelines, and travel or status issues early so couples can correct them before filing or the interview. Why it matters. Here are 4 takeaways. First, you catch missing relationship evidence before filing, not after a request for evidence changes the timeline. Second, you track prior immigration history, status, and travel details in one place, reducing inconsistent answers at the interview. Third, you set clear internal deadlines for the medical exam, translations, and financial documents so nothing slips past interview scheduling. Fourth, you can hand a clean, organized case package to counsel, reducing back and forth and rework. How it works in practice. Break the marriage-based green card process into stages, such as intake, evidence collection, form drafting, quality check, filing, and interview preparation. For each stage, list specific items, like joint bank statements, tax returns, I-94 records, and prior visa approvals, and assign who collects or verifies each one. Store many documents in a single folder structure with clear naming, including dates and source, and log what is missing. Maintain a simple case tracker that records filing dates, receipt notices, biometrics, and interview notices. Before the interview, run a checklist that compares what is in the file against the information on the forms and the couple's planned answers, and fix any inconsistencies. One practical adjustment. Create a single shared checklist for marriage evidence, immigration history, financial sponsorship, and identity documents. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, list your case stages from now through the USCIS interview and assign a target date for each stage. Second, build a folder structure and file naming convention, then move all existing documents into it. Third, draft a master evidence checklist tailored to your relationship and immigration history. Fourth, schedule a review session to compare your checklist and forms against likely interview questions and fix any inconsistencies. You are listening to Rahimi Law Firm PC, News and Insights. Read more at rahimilawyers.com.